in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys or walk through how to reset your Dell laptop without losing your files with a little caveat. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I would still recommend backing up your files regardless to an external media source like a USB drive or somewhere on your network. Storage is very cheap, and I would recommend spending a few dollars on a flash drive and just backing up important pictures and documents on your device. Because while Windows does say that it can keep your information, number one, I wouldn't trust it with important information. And number two, there's always places on your computer you may be storing information that Microsoft or Windows would not detect as personal files. Like if you're keeping your images in a random folder or subdirectory on your device, it might not save it. Basically, Microsoft might be looking at your documents folder, your pictures folder, videos folder, but they might miss other areas on your device. And there's further customizations you can do in that regard, but this is really just a generic tutorial, and you would need to look up specifically if you want to make certain folders exempted or included in backups. That's a more advanced tutorial than what we're going to be going over today. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it and just start by opening up the search menu. Type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, select System. On older versions of Windows, it may say Update and Security. And then on the right side, scroll down and locate Recovery. Select that. And then select the Reset PC option here. You would select Keep My Files, removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. And they just would follow along with the on-screen wizard. Again, like I really need to stress this, that even though it says it keeps your personal files, there's a really big asterisk on the end of that I really don't understand why Microsoft doesn't make it clearer that there can be issues with that. I mean, if you proceed with this option here, it does actually let you continue. I just canceled out of it. I think there should be additional warnings that should be presented here. That's just more of an editorial opinion of, how people would navigate here. I think this is way too easy to reset, and I think that Microsoft would be better off making it a little bit more clear about the risk involved, but that's just my opinion. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.